Hello, everybody. I am here and very excited to tell you about this video series that's coming, Building a Song House. Yes, you, me, all together, making our own song house. I want to quote one of our students here at BMF, Nora Stein, who said about the songwriting process in one of our band classes, it's like building a building. One brick, somebody adds another brick, somebody adds another brick. So that's what we're going to be doing with rhythm, harmony, melody, and songwriting, lyrics. So I got a little illustration here. We got our foundation for the house, rhythm. We got our walls for the house, harmony, framing the song. We got our roof for the house, melody, notes that go up and down like a roof. And finally, we'll fill it with lyrics, songwriting. So if you want to compose your own song house, join me every day for the next installment of Building a Song House. See you there.